safely say the September 5th event is one of the largest, if not the very largest, solar energetic particle SEP storms that we have ever seen so far since solar orbiter launched in 2020.
There has been such a dynamic change in the sunspots. There is going to be very dynamic change in the sunspots in the coming 6 years. So whenever such changes happen in the sun or in the pattern of the way the sun functions, always it has been found phenomenal changes happen in human consciousness.
Captured in Pakistan this week shows flooding so severe the only way out for some is by air. Others have turned to more creative solutions like this rescue operation using a bed frame tied to a zip line. Earlier this summer, Yellowstone National Park was ravaged by floodwater. In Europe, the continent has experienced record-breaking heat, killing thousands. In China, the world's third longest river is drying up, revealing ancient statues.